Hello everyone, in this video we will learn some of the aggregate functions in MySQL. In our previous video we have already talked about min and max. Similarly, in this video we will continue from count, average and sum. And after opening the command prompt as an administrator, we need to redirect into the folder where MySQL server is located. For that we will use cd and it's inside my local disk or local drive C. So C and program files, inside the program files MySQL, and again inside MySQL server 8.0, and again inside MySQL server we will be working in bin file. So let us redirect to the desired location. After being in that location, we need to log into our MySQL server. So for that we will use MySQL -h local host -u, and our user will be root user and -p. Let us enter the password. Successfully we have entered, or we have logged into our MySQL, and let us see databases at first. We have multiple databases already made here, and for today's video we will be using database product. So let us use product. Now let's see tables made inside the database. We have a single table called item, so we will be let us use item for this video. First of all, we need to see the table is empty or is it full, or does it have some records as well. So let us use select star from item. We have 5 records: 1 2 3 5 6. Product id 4 is missing here, but it's not a issue in this video. Let us use it as it is. And we have 3 fields: product id, product name and price. Let us use sum statement at the first, and we will be using price for that statement. For that we will enter select sum and field name. So here we will use price for the sum statement as total price from item. Okay, it is our total sum of the price, and we have created total price as a different field, so it is showing like this. Now let us use average, and for average the syntax is quite similar, but we need to make some changes here. Like it will be average price, and here instead of sum we will use avg, which stand for average. Okay, this is our average price. Now let us use count statement, and count statement is also quite similar. It is used to count the number of record in the field. Like we will be using count, and instead of price let us use our product id for counting the record. product product id, and we will make a field called number of records from item. Okay, number of records field, and we have 5 records. 4 is missing here, that's why it's not 6, it's actually 5 records. And we have used sum average and count statement in this video. Hope you have understood it well.